Hi guys! Welcome sa part 2 ng aking unboxing. Sa mga nakapanood sa part 1, thank you so much and welcome back. So this time guys, ang i-unbox natin is yung gift ko sa aking sarili. Kasi nga, nung January, nag-10 years na ako sa work. So let me share to you what I got for myself. I-open na natin guys. So these are the items that I got for myself as a reward. So let me show to you this one first. This is an onyx bracelet guys with gold. Kinuha ko to as an additional accessory every time I wear a plain gold bracelet. And alam nyo ba guys that onyx is known as a stone of protection and strength. Kaya tinawag siyang warrior stone. Next are these two items. Sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga guys sa mga to kasi simple pero ang ganda. These are diamond rings. Ayan. Let me show it to you one by one. This is the first ring guys. Kaya jewelry yung pinili ko guys na reward sa sarili ko para worth it yung perang pinaghirapan, diba? At saka good investment yung gold. Hindi natin pagsisisihan mag-invest sa gold kasi habang tumatagal, tumataas yung value. So this is how it looks like when worn guys. Simple but elegant. Ayan. And then yung second ring naman, ito siya. Ganito naman yung kanyang design. It feels so good guys, no? If we buy something nice for ourselves as a reward. Kasi nakaka-motivate siya. Diba? Deserve natin talaga na bigyan ng reward yung ating sarili. Ayan siya guys. Ang ganda. Pwede kasi siya guys ipagsama. Kaya dalawa yung binili ko. Ayan. Napaka-klase niya tingnan. Kaya ako siya nagustuhan. Super nice! And I'm super happy sa reward kong to para sa self ko. Kasi alam kong hindi ko pagsisisihan. Hi! Kinikilig ako! So guys, rewarding yourself is very important kasi it boosts your motivation and then it will make you stay focused and motivated that will lead you to an increased productivity. Kaya sa mga hardworking dyan, huwag kayong magigilty if you buy something nice for yourself because you deserve that. So guys, thank you so much for watching, for unboxing with me. Till the next one. See ya!